Alright folks, we're going to try another Hello Fresh meal. Last night's was very good. So this one here we've got, what do we have here? Balsamic fig chicken. This is what came into the pouch. Now in the fridge I also have the chicken. I have to bring that out in a minute, but I'm going to start by prepping potatoes and sweet potatoes and everything else, and then I'll cook up the chicken. Alright, we're getting there. Getting some of the stuff chopped up. Didn't cut open the salad yet, or the mixed greens. We've got our sweet potato going. Chicken's going to be ready to put on the stove, and then we'll come back and do the sauce and the rest of it. So we're getting there. With the salad, chicken and stuff, I'm just waiting for the broth. And then we'll get another picture when it's all plated. There we go. Meal's all plated up. Now it's time to eat before it gets cold.
Oh, that's fine. I'll take this.